Genkishin Ramen is a popular ramen shop on Nara Street. It's a small storefront. You may not find it even if you don't look for it. The white and tender chicken white soup is the signature soup base of Genkishin Ramen. And the various changes of the soup can be used as ramen or Tsukemen. The thick soup base in the past will not be wasted because it is too rich and salty. Dip the soup with the noodles after a meal. Do it yourself on the small magnetic stove on the table side. The eggs are made into rich miscellaneous cooking and there is a bit of fun. This meal is really not wasted at all. If you come to Nara, don't you know what to eat? It's a good suggestion to come to Genkishin Ramen. Genkishin Ramen is located in Nara Toko Shopping Street. If it is Kintetsu Nara Station, turn right and walk east to the shopping street for about 3 minutes and you will see it. Although it is Japanese cuisine, the exterior of the restaurant is very Chinese. It is Chinese style, but the seats in the store are quite Japanese nostalgic style, and there are quite a lot of seats. Niwatori Seiyu Tsukemen. That is, first dip the noodles in chicken soup. And then pour the white rice and egg juice into the chicken soup after eating. Use the IH stove beside it to cook porridge and turn it into a glutinous rice cooker. It is quite special. The white chicken soup tastes very rich, but it does not make people feel too salty. There are dried bamboo shoots and meat in it. The taste is not bad. It is relatively heavy and rich, so if you feel that the soup is too thick during the dipping process, you can add the broth provided next to it to dilute it. After throwing down the raw eggs, you can enjoy them in a short time. The thick white chicken soup tastes very good. The egg flour is quite perfect. After eating this bowl, you don't even need to have a midnight snack. Niwatori Seiyu Ajitama Ramen. Before serving the chicken soup, it will be boiled on high heat again. In addition to the noodles, the soup base also includes chicken meatballs and small pieces of barbecued pork. Although the barbecued pork is small and has a certain thickness, it is tender. The chicken white soup is really good, but it does not have as many layers of flavor as the Tsukemen. The char siu part is acceptable. The noodles are also soft. The milky white soup with a little foam, a bit like the milk foam of coffee. On top there are 2 slices of soft-boiled egg and 2 slices of chicken char siu. Ramen noodles are thin yellow noodles, chewy, and the chicken char siu is tender, which is delicious. The milky white chicken bone soup is quite rich, not greasy, and delicious. The soft-boiled egg tastes ordinary. The soup is made of chicken bones and vegetables for a long time. The soup is very cloudy, sprinkled with bean sprouts and green onion to enhance the flavor. The soup made of chicken bones and vegetables is very sweet, moderately salty, and very delicious. The sliced meat is somewhat similar to barbecued pork, and it may have been grilled. It tastes plump and juicy, not hard, and it goes well with a delicious soup. There are also 2 chicken balls inside, which are tender, not dry, and very delicious. On the whole, Genkishin best is his chicken white soup dipping noodles. The taste of the soup bowl is rich and varied. After eating the dipping noodles, changing to the miscellaneous cooking is really special. On the whole, this ramen shop is affordable and has plenty of portions. The noodles with a few noodles and mixed cooking porridge are very satisfying and have a high CP value. Next time, if you come to Nara for a trip to see the deer, in addition to Shizuoka Kamagamani, you might as well come to see this cheap ramen shop.